What is going on, everybody? It is Mike. Welcome back to Tech 24/7 TV. Today is the day iPhone 12 and 12 Pro are shipping to customers, or maybe you're crazy like me and you went to the store and picked one up. But the phone is here. We are going to unbox it. It looks beautiful. Get some popcorn. Let's get to it. So again, this is the 256 gig iPhone 12. And what we are going to do is basically just follow the arrows. All right, you got that nice piece of plastic. Oh, wow. What is cooking? Good looking. I like the way that is. Wow, that is beautiful. Just the way that the light hits it. It's more of a cream color gold. I just love the way that this looks in the light and how it reflects the color. It's so creamy. Wow, this is really cool. And look, they got like these little markings here. This is the mute button, volume rockers, and the power button. The finish on the gold band, I mean, it is really, really nice. Wow, very impressed. I am very impressed with the way that it looks. Now, I know it's going to get fingerprints, and for most people, they're going to put it in a case, but this is really good looking. Now, if you like product unboxings, just like this iPhone 12 Pro video that you're watching right now, make sure you click subscribe and turn on notifications because I have a whole bunch of videos coming for the new iPhones. I have a new iPad Air. There's those new Mac on the horizons. It is Techtober, Techvember. There she is, iPhone 12 Pro. Looking beautiful. Let's go ahead and power you on. Wow, that's really nice looking. Look how big that display is. Now, it has taken a little bit of time for Verizon to go ahead and activate my device. Let's go ahead and go back to the box itself and see what is in there. So we have the SIM ejector tool, always something to keep on your wallet or on your keys. A little tiny instruction manual and a single Apple sticker. No longer getting doubles. So that is in there. And here is the lone USB-C to lightning cable. And on the inside, let's see here. You see that cutout for the camera. All right, so first thing is, this is the Pitaka case I talked about. This is the MagEZ case. And this is all aramid fiber. And what I talked about, it's got all the cutouts for the buttons. It's nice here because it does support mag case. Here it is. And that is on there like that. Now let's go ahead and take this off. This is a thin fit case, so if you are living that thin fit lifestyle, you might like that. Now that we have the cases off, that case off, let's just go ahead and take another look at that beautifulness, which is that gold color. It's so creamy. Now this is the navy blue, deep navy, sorry. Deep navy. Take that out. Now you see here, some people were reporting that there were holes missing from the case, but this one does have all the holes. All right, and we're gonna pop that on here. That golden blue. And you see that color pop up. That is pretty sweet looking. Now we have pink citrus. If that'd be a nice color to go ahead and put on there. Nice. The animation on that's really nice. And again, that's the pink citrus with the, so here we have that MagSafe charger. Pull that out and get this off of here. We're gonna move these iPhones. We don't need these here anymore. It's a charging puck. I mean, it looks just like how you would expect it to look. It's actually bigger than, holy cow. It's actually bigger than I expect it to be, but it still looks the same. That's the, that's the thing, right? All right, so let's go ahead and no animation. You got to be unlocked for animation. Interesting. Let's try that again. Sweet. Looks cool. Wow, that is... takes a lot of pressure to pull that off. Now, I am super pumped to use this phone. I absolutely love the look and feel of it. It's probably my favorite iPhone at this point. Now, my question is to you, what do you think about this iPhone? And are you going to pick one up? Are you going to pick up the Pro? You pick up the Pro Max? Or maybe you get in the Mini? Maybe you already got the 12. Who knows? I have the 12. It's somewhere around here. I have to find it and unbox it. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Now, I am Mike. This is Tech 24/7 TV. Make sure you are subscribed. Like I said, a lot of content coming. I will catch you in the next one.